Okay, welcome back. Now we are going to talk about the CSS class selector. And what is the CSS class selector? The CSS class selector is used to select elements with specific class using the period symbol. Okay, and what is the period symbol? Which is the dot symbol. All right, so now let's move to our CSS class. Okay, let's move to the class. Right, so go to text editor right now, come to this index, and let's give this h2 a class. Give it a class of greetings. Can give it a class of greetings. Okay, so now let's go to our CSS now to style the class greeting. And remember, for us to, okay, let me add a comment to all of this so you know what they actually stand for. This is an ID selector. This is an ID selector, and for these two, we put it, we have this is an element selector. This is an element selector, and here now we have this is a class selector. All right, this is a class. So now let's style our class. All right, and we'll use the period sign. This is it. And what is our class? We have greetings. The class we want to style here is greetings. Okay, so come here to our CSS style, write greetings. Is that correct? You make sure everything is correct. Make sure everything is correct. Okay, so now for our greetings here, what do we want to do, right? Let's say we want to add a style, right? We want to add a style, a font style, right? A font style. So just put font style. We have italic, we have normal, we have oblique, we have inherit, we have onset. All right, we have so many types of styling, so let's put it in italic. Okay, font family, let's say, let's choose one of the font family here. Okay, let's use this sans serif. Okay, so save and come to our refresh. Okay, now you notice our heading here has been changed. You notice our heading here is what has been changed. All right, so the next thing now, let's put color. Let's give it a color of let's say blue violet. Let's use this. All right, So now refresh. Now we have the color. The color is now changed. All right. So and again, let's give it a border. Give it a border of 2 pixels, right? 2 pixels double. 2 pixels double, and let's give it a color of pink. Save to the browser. Now you see now it gives it a border. Okay, so let's give it border radius of border radius of let's say 20 pixels. Not sure if that will work. Okay, you have a border radius of 20 pixels, which make the edge to be in a circular form. All right, so now that we know how to style a selector, now we'll move straight to our next tutorial, which will be the universal selector. Please stay tuned and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.